Most organizations don't fail because they lack ISO certification. They fail because their systems don't work in real life. Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS. On this channel, I talk about ISO and quality systems the practical way, not paperwork, not audit drama, but systems that actually work on the ground. Here I share practical ISO implementation, how audit should really be done, risk-based thinking and continual improvement, lean, Six Sigma and operational discipline, all explained with real examples from the field. If you are tired of ISO being treated as a formality and you want systems that improve performance every day, you are in the right place. Subscribe to Swades QMS. Let's build quality systems that work, not just certificates.